Hi, welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to add countdown timer on Shopify store. As you can see, we are landed on dashboard option in Shopify store. Just follow my step how I am going to introduce you countdown timer. So first of all, you need to be visit in apps store in Shopify world. So you need to be search countdown timer, and it will be redirect you to the apps.shopify.com. In here you will find out countdown timer bar essential in the first row, and you need to be click on install. Once you click on the install button, it will be redirect you to the new page. In here you can see they are asking us to install the essential countdown timer. Just click over here install button, and it will take a few minutes and it will be installed here. And as you can see, it already installed, and you can see the apps has been come to the left side corner. Just go and create a new timer right now. Just click over here, and you can see we have lots of option here. So I am choosing an option that will be product page or top or bottom bar option. So I will select this one, top and bottom bar option. Select this timer type, and it will look like this way. And in here you have all the access to edit everything like title to countdown name, and you can change the design also. So you can change the color, you can change the font size, you can change the font also. So here I will click the publish button. Once I click on the publish, it will be published, and it asks me to activate the apps. So I will click on activate, and it will take few minutes while, and then it will give us the result. Here you can see our countdown timer has been associated with our Shopify store. Just now I have a simple task to do, that is I need to click on save button, and the website has been saved with countdown timer. So the process is really easy. If you saw the video and you find out this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also you can thumbs up our like button.